Good morning, students. In the previous video, we were discussing about email service, the most widely used tool on the internet. And it is used to send written messages between individuals or group of individuals, often geographically separated by large distances. To send mails to your friends and relatives, you need to first log in to your email account and then click at Compose button to compose a new mail message to be sent. In the Compose message window, you will see various fields such as to, it's a mail ID of recipients, Cc, that stands for carbon copy. It's a mail ID of recipients of carbon copy of mail message. Bcc, mail IDs of recipients of blind carbon copy. Subject, title of the mail message. Here both Cc and Bcc is used to send the same email message to multiple persons. But here is a difference between Cc and Bcc. Cc fields allow you to send the same mail message to multiple recipients at the same time. The Cc recipient's name is visible to all recipients. But Bcc field allows the sender to send same mail message to multiple recipients without letting them know that some other persons also have received the same message. Both Cc and Bcc forward a copy of the message to everyone you have listed. The main difference between Cc and Bcc is that with the Bcc, the recipients do not get to know each other. Using Bcc protects the privacy of your recipients and helps reduce spam. When you send an email to several people using the normal to or Cc fields, all of their email addresses are clearly displayed in the message. If the email is forwarded, the email addresses of all previous recipients may also be forwarded. However, when you use Bcc to send email to more than one person, the email addresses of your recipients will not be displayed in the emails. So this is the difference between Cc and Bcc. So if you want to send a message to multiple persons without letting them know about other recipients, use Bcc. Now let's discuss about spam and junk mail. Spam is defined as irrelevant or inappropriate message sent on internet to large number of people, whereas junk mail is the unwanted and or unsolicited advertising or promotional material received through mail or email. These two terms typically are used interchangeably. In the earlier days of internet, it was possible to send email of everyone on the system, because nowadays we have lot of spam filters that save us from a lot of spam. This system-wide emails were referred to as spam, meaning send people a lot of mail. Spammers send their messages to hundreds, thousands, or even millions of email addresses at once with the hope that at least a few people will respond. So this is spam and junk mail. Now let's discuss about search engines. Up till now, you were surfing internet by visiting site known to you. What if you want to view particular information but you don't know which site would provide you that information? In that case, you need to search for that information on the web, and this can be done through search engine. A program used for searching information on the internet. A search engine is a program that searches through a database of web pages for particular information. There are many search engines on the web. Some popular search engines are google.com, bing.com, search.yahoo.com, ask.com, search.aol.com, and wow.com, etc. This searching process is similar on these search engines. We are going to discuss searching process in one very popular search engine, google.com. To search for web pages pertaining to a specific information, all you have to do is go to home page of the search engine. type the information to be searched for in the box provided for it. For example, we have typed here computer science. Now click at search button. Within a few seconds, the search engine will search for that information and display the links to the web pages which are linked to your desired information in some way. Now let's discuss about how search engine works. In a search engine, you can type keywords to search for and search engine searches them on the web and provides you the details. A search engine works with the help of following three elements. First, a spiders or web crawler or bots or agents. The search engines use a software called a spider or web crawler or bot or agent which comb the internet looking for documents and their web addresses. The spiders or web crawlers perform the methodical searches needed to be find information. The bots or spiders are given direction by search engine and they crawl from one server to another, compiling the huge list of URLs given by search engine. The next one is indexing software and database. The list of documents and web addresses collected by bots are sent to indexing software. The indexing software extracts information from the documents and web addresses, prepare an index of it and stores in the database. The kind of information indexed depends upon the particular search engine. Some index every word in the document, others index the document titles only. Next one, search algorithm. When you perform a search by entering keywords, the search engine software searches its database using a particular search method called search algorithm, and then it displays the matching document or web addresses. Now next one, some searching tips. To effectively search for desired information, you must learn the art of framing search queries. Some tips are, first one, don't ask questions. As for example, who is the Home Minister of India? So when you type this question in the search box, then you may end up getting lakhs of matches, but most being useless. This is because the search engine searches for each word in the search query separately. In this case, your search will search for words who, home, minister, India separately and then display all the results. Common words like a, and, is, the, etc. are dropped. Next one, surrounded your query in quotes or put some punctuation marks like semicolon or hyphen. If you want to be treated as a single phrase rather than a series of individual search terms. For example, in the double quotes, God of small thing or God hyphen of small hyphen things, or God semicolon of semicolon small semicolon things. You can use it like this. Next one, use wildcard asterisk for pattern matching. For example, if you want to search a certain thing starting with the word dir, then you may write dir asterisk in the search box. And your search engine will search for many words starting with dir. For example, direct, direction, directive, director, etc. The next one, the lowercase word matches are not case sensitive, but uppercase words are case sensitive. For example, if you write program in a small case, it means all letters are in small. It will match for program in all in small or program the first letter is capital and rest are small, or program the first three letters are capital or rest are small, or program all letters are capital, etc. But if you write program with the first three characters in capital and rest are in small, then it will match only program like this only. The first three characters are capital and rest are small. To specify that word or phrase must appear in the method document, put a plus sign immediately before it. For example, plus Boston plus University will match with web pages having both the word Boston and University. To specify a word or phrase must not appear in matched document, put a minus sign immediately before it. For example, plus Asia minus China. It will search for Asia but not include China. The internet provides several search engines that are primarily intended to help you locate general information. However, many search engines also offer a way to search for basic information about people and places. And there are a number of utilities and sites geared entirely towards helping you find this kind of information. If you want to find out a person's mail ID, phone numbers, street addresses, you can use this service. To do this, all you have to do is go to one search site and then supply some information like name, etc. required to search desired information. For example, here 123people.com. If you want to search email ID of a person, follow these steps. Log on to www.123people.com. You will see the people search page on your screen. Now type the first name and last name of the person whose email ID you want to search for. Click search button and the search engine will search for the name given in its database and display the result on your screen. Apart from 123 people, you may also try following websites: addresses.com, email.addresssearch.com, pq.com, people.com, etc. Now let's discuss about the FTP protocol. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It is a commonly used protocol for exchanging file over any network that supports the TCP/IP protocol. Here TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. TCP/IP is a main protocol used for communications over Internet and intranets. There are two computers involved in FTP transfer. First one, FTP server. It is a computer that is running FTP server software. An FTP server listens on the network for connection requests from other computers. Second one, the FTP client. It is a computer that is running FTP client software. An FTP client computer initiates a connection to the server. Once connected, the customer can do a number of file manipulation operations such as uploading files to the server, downloading files from the server, renaming or deleting files on the server, and so on. Virtually every computer platform supports FTP. This allows any computer connected to a TCP/IP based network to manipulate files on other computers on the network, regardless of which operating system are involved. There are many existing FTP client and server programs, and many of these are free. Here are some examples. For Windows, it's a WinSCP. Smart FTP, FileZilla, Core FTP, AC FTP. For Mac OS X, CyberDuck or Browser Lite, One Button FTP, etc. For Linux, GFTP, Cross FTP, FileZilla, Fire FTP, etc. And for multi-platform for Firefox, it's a Fire FTP. So this is a file transfer protocol that is used to exchange files over a network. In the next video, we will discuss about downloading and uploading file from remote site. So that's all for today. Thank you.